Yo, what up? It's Aaron Moses, gang. Now, this is a reaction to 5 times that sovereign citizens learn.
So, I'm not gonna get into.
Wait. 5 times that sovereign citizens learned a hard lesson on body cam. All right. Now, this is an hour and something minutes. Now, if you use your eyes and look at the bottom of the screen, I'm not doing this whole thing. We're probably gonna do 1 or 2, depending on how long they are. Let's get into it, though.
No, you don't. No.
This guy is a fucking little kid. That is not how you communicate as an adult. Let's get into it.
You don't have any license plates on
Whoa,
your vehicle.
DUI.
I have a private, I don't need a license plate
You
on
need
my
a license
vehicle.
plate not bought from eBay.
You don't have no jurisdiction over me. You are on my earth. And if I decide...
Come on, nature boy. What are you talking about, man? What are you talking about, 6 God? This man just got off a fresh meditation. God damn, Dr. Chakras.
do something about it, I can right now.
What you see here is a guy that's got a screw loose.
Yeah,
But we
he looks
tightened
like
it up
it.
for him.
We are back
Shut
with
up.
sovereign citizens, those interesting individuals who seem to believe the law doesn't apply to them. Well, what happens when it does? These are some memorable sovereign citizen arrests.
Bro, get your
Welcome
booty
to
out the air.
Sidebar,
Sit
presented
down.
by Law and Crime.
Should
I'm
be
Jesse
ashamed
Weber.
of yourself.
Today we are
I don't need to hear all of that. I'm the narrator. Shut your ass up. Play the video. I don't care. Okay, all right. Let's get to the arresters. Come on, Jesse. Come on, Jesse's girl. I don't want to see all of this. I don't need the documentary. Here we go. A little bit before this. Look at this. Yeah, this is my AAA card. You don't have an ID, ma'am?
Let's turn to our first case. It is March of 2023 in Berea, Ohio.
Okay.
An officer has pulled over this van because the license plate on the back just says private.
Freaking idiot, bro. Why do you have to be so hard? She does not have a man. She got on this Native American. She might be a black Indian, but she got on this Indigenous Americano garment. You going to jail, my nigga. You are not on the res.
Hello, how are we doing? I'm Officer Douglas, Berea Police. The reason for the stop is you don't have a tag on your vehicle.
Right, it's not, I don't contract with the state of Ohio.
Okay.
I'm a private national.
Okay, so you're a sovereign citizen thing?
Well, no, it's not a sovereign citizen.
Are you Moorish?
Yes, I am.
Okay. All right, do you have your...
How you gonna be what? Do you have your Moorish nigga card? Oh yeah. How did you of course.
travel document, or what do you have?
A travel
Where
document?
do you stay at? In Elyria?
No, I don't.
Okay. What's your current address?
I Docimile in Berea.
What? Did she just have a seizure in front of us right now? What did you say, man?
I Docimile in Berea.
Okay, she said that's a mile. I want burritos. Bro, you can't just give this man Uber Eats orders. That's not what he does. This is a police officer, man. Respect the law.
Okay. Do you have anything with the VIN on the vehicle?
No, just
No registration, anything like that?
no, I don't.
Okay.
I do have my all my information right here.
Okay. Do you mind if I see that?
Yes,
So I can take it with you when you go to jail for this bullshit?
and I also have my Moorish.
No, you don't.
Well, it should be right there, all right there. Yeah, it's all right
Have
there.
you ever had a Ohio ID before?
Yes.
I don't contract with the state of Ohio.
So have you ever had an Ohio
That's
ID
not
before?
what he
No, I don't
asked you.
contract with them.
Okay. All right, give me 1 second.
That is not what he asked you, ma'am. You didn't answer that. Look at this man warming his hands. Oh, yeah, what is it? Oh, March? It's a little nippy outside. It's probably like 70, probably maybe 63 degrees. He's about to warm his hands up, put on them black gloves, take her ass to jail. Let's go. Jail time. Fix your collar, sir. Sergeant.
1606 to 1640.
That's the code for nigga, you going to jail.
Yeah, this is a sovereign citizen. I don't know if you want to head up here. I'm sure they're going to request the boss at some point.
You're smart.
When the officer
That nigga
goes
sound
back to his
tired
squad
as hell,
car, you
bro.
can
It's
catch
12
a
o'clock at
glimpse
night.
of what seemingly her Moorish government ID card looks like. And he tries to
Where
use
did you
the
get that
address
from?
on that card to find out more about this driver. The The woman has some paperwork that she believes might help.
Yes, ma'am.
Here's also my right to travel.
No, nigga, her license has been suspended. How old is she? She's probably like 28. Her license has been suspended since she was 14. She got 3 DUIs. She got $1,500, probably $15,000, excuse me, and parking tickets. Now you want to be a more? One of them dispute the shit off your credit report, but it's gonna come back in 3 months. You can't just do that. You gotta pay your debt.
Also notarized and
No, it wasn't.
It's notarized and it's filed with the state of Ohio.
But you don't contract with Ohio though.
It's an affidavit of my right to travel.
What is your first name?
Asada.
Okay.
Asada.
And then your last name is Bay?
Yes, it is.
Okay. You said 223 Run Street?
No,
That's
she
my
says she's
address.
missing 2 teeth in her mouth. She doesn't give 2 fucks about her life. She has 2 kids with 3 baby daddies. That's what she said. Toothless ass nigga.
There. You
You
can't
got a car, but you're missing a tooth? Fuck you.
you can take that out of your pocket.
I'm not taking it. I'm just holding it so my hands are free. That's it.
Oh,
So
okay.
when I arrest you.
So
What is this?
and I'm on my way somewhere that's very important.
Okay.
No, you're
And
not.
kinda
You don't
holding
even
me
have a
up.
license. You're not important if you're driving a car, you don't have a license. You don't have a tooth in your mouth. If you're not going to the dentist, it's not important, bro. I'm telling you. It's not.
Okay.
And I also do have a fee schedule as well.
A fee schedule?
Yes.
What's
a fee
that?
We don't know what
I
that
don't know
is.
what that is.
It's a fee schedule for if I'm bothered in my private mode of travel. So this is a notice of intent fee schedule. And so this is for any and everything that you may have.
Basically, I heard of this stupid ass shit. Basically, she's trying to charge him for pulling her over. She is trying to say that her time is worth $50,000 an hour. So if she stays there for 15 minutes, I don't know what that is. 50,000 divided by 4, let's say $40,000 or $10,000. That's what these niggas do. If only this was a thing, nigga, there would be no poverty anywhere. Cause niggas like to buy everything. Shut up.
You're gonna pull me over for, or anything that you may keep me on the side of the road for.
It's called a fee schedule?
Yes, it is a fee schedule.
Here, can I take a look at the first one? I'm sorry. The first one on the fee schedule? Yeah.
Can I take a look at this? Get this shit the fuck out of here.
Okay. All right. We'll just hang tight, okay?
Well, listen.
What's up?
Can I have my ID back
Yeah, you're welcome to.
so I can go?
You're not free to leave
Why?
because you're being detained.
Detained?
Yeah, it's a traffic stop. You're
Detained?
You're not in handcuffs or anything like that. But
This is unlawful detainment.
it is not, okay?
It is unlawful
I know you believe it
detainment.
is, but I've done this plenty of times, okay?
Okay, well, I also have a right to travel
Okay.
in my private
May I
mode
see
of
that?
transportation. It's my private mode of transportation.
May I see that? Here, you want to trade? I'll give you this back.
No, you cannot.
Oh, okay. All right, well, just like
You're
I said,
definitely
you're not free to go,
going to
okay?
yell.
So just hang out for 1 second, all right?
That nigga got here quicker than a jiffy. I'm detained. You know what that means. You're going to jail.
Sovereign citizen. Moorish American. I think I got her real info though off a paper that she showed me. She has a fee schedule for any time she's stopped by law enforcement and bothered.
Fee schedule?
Yeah.
They want to say,
Right across the
this bitch, you're not the one making money right now. I am.
fee schedule. So we should charge her every time, or
No.
she charges us.
She charges us.
Yup, like a prostitute.
Interesting. I just hope she has a license or something.
That's
valid.
not
She
interesting
doesn't.
at all. That's what they do.
She just has no business with the state of Ohio, but she has allegedly an affidavit signed by the state of Ohio
That's what I
saying
said.
that she's allowed to travel.
She's weird.
Did she show it to you?
I mean, yeah, kinda.
Who made it? I don't know. We got like 4 details. This probably looks bad. I was going to keep going, but nobody else got here, so I'm like, well, I don't know. Just sitting here.
I just figure I've dealt with sovereign citizens before,
Right.
and that's what I asked her. I was like, "Oh, are you Moorish American?"
The officer is able
She's
to
a whorish
confirm that the
American.
driver used to go by the name Dominique Camel, and now that he has her name, his computer starts sending alerts.
Yup.
Suspended license.
I told you.
Suspended license.
How many times is that? 2. She's gonna have like 3, 4. Nah, let me give a solid number. She's only gonna have like 3.
Yeah, but you still got to identify yourself.
Oh,
That's the
2,
problem,
okay.
And that's where we're that's where the hook will be. That's usually where these things go.
She
south.
probably got some DUIs when she was a minor.
I mean, we dealt with it in Cleveland. Usually everyone's fine until they have the automatic fingerprint at county.
Yeah.
So they would not identify, and then we get down there, and they would read the fingerprints and get
They
us the
just
name.
put that into play? Damn.
But, I mean, it's such a, like...
And that's the problem. So it's going to be fun.
Just give me, like, I just
Fun.
want...
Yeah, okay, stand down for who you are. Give us some measure of cooperation, and we'll make this easy as possible.
All right, ma'am. You said, I'm sorry. Is that in Elyria?
Yes, it
okay.
is.
All right.
Like I said,
What was your name
Asada.
before it was Bay?
My name is Asada L Bay. That's all. The old name does not matter.
Okay.
So this is
It
my
matters to
name.
us, though.
This is my name, and this is filed with the Moorish National Network.
But that's not the state of Ohio. It's not a law enforcement
Right,
agency.
and I'm
That's why I'm
talking
trying to...
about Supreme Court law. I'm not talking
Okay.
about state of Ohio. Supreme Court law. I am a Moorish national,
Okay.
and this is my travel card. I went through all the proper steps to get my travel card. I went through all the proper steps.
So basically, they broke on you. Because this is not a cheap process. I've done the research, my man. Your boy was about to do that same thing. Because I had a warrant. A very serious warrant. But at the end of the day, my nigga, this costs tens of thousands of dollars, I think, to get all that bullshitted. This is not a real... No, this is not a get out of jail free card. You could have put that money into getting your license back and getting some shampoo and conditioner and a tooth. A tooth. Come on now.
To put everybody on notice, and this is what it is.
So that's not a driver's license, okay?
It is my right to try. I don't have a driver's license because I do not contract with the state of Ohio for a driver's license. I do have a right to travel in my
understand.
private mode of travel, and this is my private mode of travel. I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm just letting you know I have a right to be private. I live in the private, and this is how I conduct my affairs. I don't contract with the state of Ohio with the driver's license. I don't contract with the state of Ohio for anything. I have a right to contract how I want because I live in the private. This is my travel card, and this is my Moorish American national name.
So you don't drive on any public streets or anything like that?
I'm not conducting commerce. This is I'm not for hire. I'm not for any of that. So
You're not for hire? She's for hire. She's for hire. She's a list crawler. She's for hire.
not conducting commerce on any public highways. I'm
Commerce
not doing
means
any
business.
type of business.
Right.
I'm going from point A to point B in my private
About to go to
mode
point
of
jail.
travel, and I'm not conducting any type of business. I'm not conducting any commerce that would need me to have a driver's license, and I have not committed a crime.
You have committed a crime.
I have not committed a crime.
You don't have any license plates on your vehicle.
I have a private. I don't need a license plate
You
on
need
my
a license
vehicle.
plate not bought from eBay on your vehicle. You need to be registered.
Oh no, this
with the
came
state.
from the Moorish
Amazon.
National Network when it came with my ID. It's a private. What they have on eBay is not my business. It's not my concern. But this is a private vehicle. I'm not for hire. I'm not for contract, and I'm not conducting any type of commerce, sir.
You know how many times she practiced that in the mirror? Well, you need to break that motherfucker, because you're going to jail. And they don't have mirrors in jail, baby.
Saying that you fully believe in all this, okay?
Believe.
I respect
No, I know. It is not what I believe in. It's what I know. I know that the Supreme Court law states that I have a right
What law?
to travel
Quote it.
just like I'm traveling. Supreme Court law says that, not me. I didn't say it. I didn't make it up. This is Supreme Court law. I have it right here in my thing. It's Supreme Court law. It's not something that I made up. It's just Supreme Court law.
And I fully understand that you believe that, okay?
No,
And I'm
it isn't
telling
what I
you,
believe. It's
it
what the
is.
Supreme Court law states.
Ma'am, I'm telling you.
Okay, could you call your sergeant, please?
Ma'am,
He's there.
Okay, well, are you the sergeant?
I'm the chief of police, so it's my department. I'm the head of the agency.
Okay.
Woo!
Sergeant.
Nigga, he's above the sergeant, you motherfucking miseducated fool. That's Jeff Bezos of the police right there, bro. You want to talk to somebody else? Why bother? She's cheating.
Oh, okay.
So
Well,
that's why I came over here to try and help.
Talking to Elon Musk, baby.
I want possible.
Yeah, that's fine.
For everybody involved. That's why I thought I'm going to go over here and have a conversation with you.
Okay.
I'm a student of this. I love to hear this stuff. I love
Okay.
to talk to you.
Okay.
Trying to finesse you straight to jail, my nigga.
People hire.
Take her out the car. Let me see that ass. I bet she got a skinny
Right, but I'm
booty.
not conducting commerce.
Yes, you is.
I have it right here.
Oh,
It's
okay.
law.
She got a little juicy thing back there.
Context of the law.
While this spirited debate continues, the officer jots down the car's VIN.
And that's, you don't have a right to do that.
To do what?
Absolutely
To
does.
write anything down that has anything to do with my vehicle.
Okay.
It's in fucking view. Whatever, man. I want to see that monkey. Let me see what you working with, baby. Shake it fast. Watch yourself.
We have a...
Is she gonna resist or not?
They didn't kill somebody.
Oh, no, I'm not a murderer.
And I'm not saying you are, but I'm giving you a very extreme example.
Right.
Of why it's important.
I'm just a mother. I'm a mother of 3 children.
Oh, how many? What'd I tell you? 3? Oh, she got a thing back there, man. She got something back there. Why are you such a messiah? I'm just fucking playing, nigga. Shut your silly ass up. Why are you talking to her so long? Let me see. When is she going to jail?
I respect it. I believe
They talked to this bitch for a whole 30 minutes?
people and humanity, and that's why I'm trying to have this conversation with you. But you're not really.
Did they let her go?
With the United States.
But I guess just letting you know that if I don't respond formally doesn't mean I.
No. I'm going to bring it up there to you. I recognize some office.
I don't want to hear her, bro. I don't like to hear people with no teeth.
That's okay.
Because again, I'm fascinated by all this.
No, you're not.
Thank you. Yeah, it's treaty of friendship and peace.
They let this bitch go?
All right, well, thank you. You guys have a blessed day.
Christ almighty. They let her ass go. That is nasty work. Now you're about to get a 4th driving on suspended. They probably did that for a reason. By the time she gets that 4th one, she's probably going to have to do 6 months in jail, bro. Yeah, she's going to get a letter in the mail saying that she needs to come to court. She's not going to come to court. And when she gets pulled over again somewhere else, she's getting 6 months. Don't ever do this. This is ridiculous. It is what it is. Hold up.
As well, drive safely.
That seemed pretty cordial overall, right? Well, that's not quite the case with what happened next because
I don't want to hear you talk white, man. But look, that's exactly what they just did, bro. They're going to send her a letter in the mail. She has a warrant for her arrest out right now. And the next time she contacts the police, she's going to go to jail, whatever she's doing. She's going to get like 6 months in jail. Oh my gosh. That sucks. But it is what it is. It's not what it's not. It's Aaron Moses. I'm the man, you the man, we the man together, man. Life is in the breath. Breathe it in. Peace. Gang.